can't be up in over with. Get it.
Go. 26. Over the Philadelphia Tornado Pee-wee.
Yes. You got a paper bag up there. Let me get him down. Hey, there you go. Hey, I know that hurt. He did it back. Get him. Yes. The whole time playing with him. Your first one. Come on. Stop that ball. That boy running now. Out of bounds. One more. Donnell, run over the man. They get it for mouthpiece. Where the mouthpiece, Willie?
I ain't got no mouthpieces. At the other sideline, they got one.
You gave him a mouthpiece.
Tim gave him a mouthpiece.
Why you waiting for somebody to sit in there? Come on, Tim.
And it's crazy and lost from the time he left the field, I over here to the field. Hell, you need to come over here and get out the sun, man.
Right directly in front of me.
Glad to see you, Eloise. Yes, sir. Throw that ball, baby. Yeah.
Watch him, he's going
Get it.
Get it.
That's all right. That's him again.
Yeah.
We didn't kill him, dude.
Shot up on the leg.
Did he kill somebody?
Yeah.
No coach.
He don't bother nobody.
One thing about it. He got the ball, baby. Get that ball. Get it,
What man, I'm watching the ball game. You better tell your mama something shit.
Where are the other threat, man?
Let's go,
No, the older boy.
The old boy, though.
Yeah, John. The Brown jumped on. Yeah, he wanted to run because yeah.
Get through, make them get 20 laps.
The Brown jumped on. And then Peter came in and found out they were jumping on his brother. A couple more went over there and tried to break the fight up. And then so John got the fight broke up. He broke his pistol.
They can run.
And when he got his pistol, they all started running. Oh man, don't do that. And he chased him around the car and shot the boy. Running in here, but you got a problem.
There it comes. They ain't got no problem. All right, pick him up. Knock himself, man. There it comes. Oh.
All right, Cole.
That's a big thing.
Yeah.
Wait.
I'll be up there.
Get down. Get control of that ball, Coach. They come. Knock 5 from them. Don't with them. Hold on to them. Lay down with them.
Get down!
It's hunting season, baby. There you go. Go to it, bro. Hold him. Get in. Get in. Get him.
It's hunting, baby. Get you a buck.
Come on, Lil John, take him down.
Had him in the backfield.
He wasn't
Got the ball, baby.
like you is. He like Muscle Ball.
Take it.
You ain't playing nowhere. Tell me.
Go down, get that.
Get for the ball. What?
92.
Ain't go sleep.
Trap block.
I know
They get these retired senior citizens.
Ever say that man get mad.
Let's do this.
I'm a man mad.
Hey, ho. Oh, no.
Ran the same play back on.
No, let them tuckers go.
Ran the same play back on.
Same way Reg did.
The same way. Don't let him catch the ball then.
I feel like they like me. They tear me up.
Let's go, Colts. Let's fly south. Get some help, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Hey, I'm telling you, 75 standing straight up.
You ready? You ready? He got it first down. Huh?
Come on, boy. You got no time. Go. Run it. Okay, I'm telling you.
I have had one. I can say that.
Stop that ball!
Yeah, hold it like that.
Put you for a minute.
If I'd have had my raid, though, I'd have showed him something. He ain't got nothing problem with the hot shot.
Yes!
Clothesline. That was a clothesline. He could have hurt that little boy. He need to put him out of the game. He need to be ejected. He need to be ejected. He clothesline that man.
This is 325.
Okay.
You did pretty good.
Thanks.
Make that call, baby.
Get better than what you've been doing.
Well, I
Make that call.
out there a little longer, but my niece came out the gym. So
Yeah, but then another thing.
I'm going to give you a pop.
Another thing.
Give me another one.
Then another thing, you can't tell that you did better than you've been done. You can't do no good if people don't come. You did good. You did good.
Yeah, but the woman called Buck.
But
Hey, bro, I knew they were going to bring some
I ain't
people.
never seen that happen.
Right, Mr. Buzz.
Well, them
Oh, that boy just
stuff
did.
going to be packed. That was
Clothesline.
the clothesline deuces. You know, Deuce was running that boy down. That big boy came from that clothesline.
I sent him home. So he at home.
I'm shocked they
Let's tighten up now. Tighten up.
Yeah,
That's the right word.
He through. He through. He through.
Take a knee.
Don't play. Don't play.
Take a knee.
Go no.
We had some spray to spray.
That's what we run it. Get in there. Keep going. Yes. Good carry, baby. Running. Three-man.
You can't buy that can of loaf of bread.
Now. Hit him. Stay on it, baby. Stay on it. Keep out the ball, baby. It's hunting season. Bounce down there. Come on, Deuce. Come on, Deuce. Come on, Deuce. Come on, Deuce. Get on to him. Get to the ball. Stop that ball. All right.
You're looking like a real kitty boy.
Down the ball, baby. Come on, you. Get him.
Real the middle.
Get him. Down the ball, baby.
Watch out on balls up there.
Knock fast on him.
Hello?
Yesterday and the day.
Hello?
Read on my own.
What?
Woke up yesterday,
No.
trying to go get the doctor coming in. So
I don't know because we are working.
couldn't breathe. I had to have some oxygen to breathe. Then they told me my left had to get down to 88.
Where you at? Run it. Yeah, man.
All right, we're running back 80 out.
Get him out of the way. Get him out of the way.
Get it. This way. Run it. Keep going, baby. Keep going.
You got to go get him.
49. 7.
Hey,
Nah. Take the water, hold that thing. Get this.
Lineman, y'all got to block. Get down and block.
Mr. Reed and Palmer is my entertainment.
Come on, coach. Call it.
all right. I thought you went on feet.
That's all.
The other one had moved first.
Raised up.
Let's go, coach. Run it. Keep going. Hold him out. Good carry.
There you go, do that.
Good carry. Get in there.
Get your hand behind your back, George Pate.
Let's do this, baby. Touchdown, baby. Get it. Come on, boy. Get in there. Good carry, baby. Let's go, coach. Defense, do your job.
Right on this end. That little one right there. He the only one getting the runner. Come on, this one.
Go, baby. Go, Junior Man.
Go, Junior Man.
You up in there. Touchdown.
Last year, you started doing all that stupid stuff.
Come on,
Man, that's
back.
not
Get
all
him.
Get him, Junior Man.
Knock fire from him.
That way.
You run past him. Only somebody came over there and changed that school with Ross. Ross didn't play that with.
I heard that.
Yeah, Ross had that song on like, what the name?
Down the ball, baby. There you go. Knock fire from him. Hold on to him. Yes.
Oh boy, that old boy did that old jump the other day down all for him.
Get your little son.
He got killed.
Get him right there. John. Get him, John.
Grab him. Version must go mine. I said, there you go. Stop him. Hold on to him, baby. Go south with him. Go south. Keep out of the ball, baby.
baby.
Hey, come. Hey, come. Hey, come. Hey, come. Hey, come. Get it.
Yes.
There you go, Junior, man.
Man, I'm gonna run him out.
There you go, there you go.
Get him! Get him, get him, get him, get him!
Get that boy.
Sorry, Russ.
Get him, second. Get him, Deuce.
Hold on to him, Dave. Let's go, Coach. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. That's all right. I got to ride down. Get it, 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 get it. Get going, baby.
Watch y'all.
Let's do this. Get control of that ball. Get that ball back.
See, they ain't gonna buy it. All you gotta do is these people.
There you go. There you go.
Right, number 13. Number 42.
Come on, Pete.
Who they playing?
Hit somebody.
Knock five from him. Number 1. They'll play a game first. They got like 4 games. You know, man, if you folks just there you go. Get him. Yes. Yes. Who won your team ain't lost game?
What they do? They didn't give us the
Pee
ball.
Wee.
That's a big boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Man, look at number 6.
Come on, Coach.
They ain't big as Martin was.
Martin has a big.
Yeah, Martin had a big team, man. They ain't big as East Meridian was.
You could come in last time, had that big old boy. He didn't matter. Get by the ball, baby.
Hey, Deuce, what? Number 1. Number 1.
Don't let him fake it.
Come on, Reggie.
Come on,
Right there, there, Reggie.
Hit him.
There you go.
There you go.
I know, Reggie.
That's what I'm talking about.
Turn this week.
Knock 5 from him. I'm probably lose a lot of this stuff. See, he can go in. He can go through the back.
Get over here because I told you.